TriSkill Enterprise Portfolio Management Online Training. Introduction to TriSkill Enterprise Portfolio Management, Overview and Key Concepts. TriSkill Enterprise Portfolio Management, Overview and Key Concepts. TriSkill Enterprise Portfolio Management, EPM, is a powerful, flexible, and comprehensive platform designed to help organizations manage their portfolios, projects, and resources in alignment with their business strategy. The platform offers tools for decision-making, planning, and execution across various departments and functions, ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently to maximize the value of investments. Key concepts in TriSkill EPM. Portfolio management. Portfolio management is central to TriSkill, enabling organizations to prioritize projects, track their progress, and optimize resource usage. By focusing on high-value initiatives, companies can improve their overall business outcomes and ensure that they are working on the right projects at the right time. Project management. TriSkill provides robust project management capabilities, from initial planning through to execution and monitoring. The platform integrates key project management functionalities such as task management, timelines, budgeting, and risk management, ensuring that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the desired quality standards. Resource management. One of the key challenges in portfolio management is effectively allocating and utilizing resources across projects. TriSkill allows for real-time tracking and optimization of resources, providing insight into availability, capacity, and skill sets. This helps organizations avoid resource conflicts and ensure that the right people are assigned to the right tasks. Financial management. TriSkill helps organizations manage the financial aspects of their portfolio and projects, from cost estimation to budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. It enables teams to track expenses and align them with project milestones, ensuring financial control and transparency. Risk management. Identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks are critical elements of successful portfolio management. TriSkill provides tools for risk management, allowing organizations to proactively address potential issues and avoid delays, cost overruns, or project failure. Strategic alignment. Ensuring that projects align with the organization's strategic goals is essential for maximizing return on investment, ROI. TriSkill offers strategic alignment capabilities that allow stakeholders to evaluate projects against business objectives, ensuring that resources are focused on initiatives that drive the most value. Reporting and analytics. TriSkill includes powerful reporting and analytics tools that provide detailed insights into project performance, resource utilization, and financial metrics. These insights help managers make informed decisions, adjust priorities, and ensure that projects remain on track. Collaboration and communication. Collaboration is key to successful project execution. TriSkill facilitates communication between stakeholders, team members, and other departments, enabling real-time collaboration on project updates, timelines, and changes. The platform promotes transparency, allowing everyone to stay informed and aligned on key goals. Governance and compliance. Ensuring proper governance and compliance is critical, especially for organizations in regulated industries. TriSkill includes built-in governance frameworks that support best practices, compliance standards, and regulatory requirements. This feature helps organizations mitigate risks and meet compliance standards more effectively. Change management. As projects evolve, change management becomes crucial. Triskel provides tools for managing change requests, tracking the impact of changes, and adjusting plans as necessary. This helps maintain project flexibility while keeping it aligned with original goals. Benefits of Triskel EPM. Improved decision-making. Triskel provides visibility into all aspects of the portfolio, helping decision-makers assess trade-offs, risks, and benefits before committing resources to new projects. Configuring Triskel for portfolio management. Setting up your workspace. Configuring Triskel for portfolio management involves setting up a workspace that is tailored to your organization's needs and processes. Triskel is a portfolio management solution designed to manage and optimize a variety of projects, portfolios, and resources. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up your workspace in Triskel for efficient portfolio management. 1. Define your portfolio structure. Portfolio types. Triskel allows you to define different types of portfolios, example, strategic, operational, IT, etc. Determine which types of portfolios your organization will manage and set them up within Triskel. Subportfolios and projects. Within each portfolio, define the subportfolios or projects. This structure helps organize the work by categories or business units. 2. User roles and permissions. Create user roles. Triskel allows you to assign specific roles to users, example portfolio manager, resource manager, project manager. Based on their responsibilities, assign appropriate roles and permissions. Access control. Define who can view, edit, and approve various portfolios and projects. This ensures that the right people have the correct access level. 3. Configure portfolio templates. Templates for consistency. Set up portfolio templates for standardizing the creation of new portfolios. Templates can include predefined fields such as budget, timelines, and risk assessment criteria. Custom fields. Add custom fields specific to your organization's needs, example, strategic goals, KPIs, business units. These fields allow for better tracking and reporting on portfolio performance. 4. Set up project tracking and reporting. Define project metrics. Set up the key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics that need to be tracked across all portfolios. These could include metrics such as cost, time, scope, and risk. Create dashboards. Triskel enables you to create dashboards that provide real-time views of portfolio performance. Set up customized views based on the roles of different users, example, a high-level dashboard for executives or a detailed one for project managers. 5. Resource management setup. Resource pools. Create resource pools, example, human resources, equipment, budget, that can be assigned to various projects within the portfolios. This ensures that resources are allocated effectively across multiple projects. Capacity planning. Set up tools for resource capacity planning, ensuring that the resource load across projects does not exceed available capacity. 6. Financial management configuration. Budgeting. Set up budgeting tools within Triskel to track financial performance at the portfolio and project levels. Define budget categories and thresholds for tracking costs. Financial forecasting. Triskel supports financial forecasting for portfolios. Set up periodic forecasting to ensure that portfolio budgets remain aligned with the actual financial situation. 7. Risk and issue management. Risk assessment templates. Create templates for assessing and tracking risks within portfolios. Define risk categories and scoring systems. Issue tracking. Set up issue tracking to document, assign, and resolve issues that impact portfolio performance. Triskel Enterprise Portfolio Management Methodology. Implementing best practices. Triskel Enterprise Portfolio Management (EPM) methodology focuses on providing a structured approach to managing portfolios, programs, and projects within an organization. By utilizing best practices in EPM, Triskel aims to align business strategy with project execution, ensuring that organizations make better decisions and achieve their strategic goals more effectively. Here's an expanded overview of how Triskel EPM methodology can be implemented with best practices. 1. Strategic alignment. Best practice. Ensure that all projects and programs are aligned with the organization's strategic goals and objectives. This can be achieved through establishing a clear link between portfolio management and organizational strategy. Regularly reviewing and updating the portfolio to reflect any changes in business priorities or strategic direction. Implementing a strategy map or balanced scorecard to ensure visibility and alignment of project outcomes with business goals. 2. Portfolio governance. Best practice. Establish a governance structure that defines the processes, roles, and responsibilities involved in managing the portfolio. Set up portfolio steering committees that oversee decision-making and ensure accountability. Define clear decision-making processes, such as approval workflows for new projects or program changes. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to assess the success of the portfolio and its alignment with the strategic objectives. 3. Portfolio selection and prioritization. Best practice. Develop a systematic process for selecting and prioritizing projects based on value, risk, and alignment with strategic goals. Key steps include implementing a scoring model that includes criteria such as expected return on investment, ROI, strategic fit, resource requirements, and risk factors. Utilizing scenario analysis to model different project outcomes under various conditions, helping to make informed decisions about which projects to fund or prioritize. Establishing clear thresholds for project entry based on the strategic value and return potential. 4. Resource management. Best practice. Optimize resource utilization to ensure that projects are adequately staffed without overloading the organization's capacity. This involves having a centralized view of all resource capacity and allocation across projects and programs. Implementing resource leveling and smoothing techniques to avoid bottlenecks. Using resource forecasting to plan for future demands and align available resources with project needs. 5. Risk management. Best practice. Proactively identify, assess, and manage risks at the portfolio level to ensure that risk does not derail project success. Key tactics include conducting regular risk assessments across the portfolio to identify potential threats and opportunities. Implementing a risk register that is actively managed and updated throughout the project life cycle. Developing contingency plans and mitigation strategies to minimize the impact of identified risks. 6. Financial management. Best practice: efficiently manage the financial aspects of the portfolio, ensuring cost control, budget adherence, and return on investment. Best practices include setting up portfolio-wide financial tracking and reporting systems to monitor budget performance and forecast variances. Defining clear financial governance rules, such as approval processes for budget changes and project funding. Performing regular financial reviews to evaluate the health of projects and programs within the portfolio. Creating and managing portfolios in Triskel, a step-by-step guide. Creating and managing portfolios in Triskel, a solution designed for portfolio, project, and resource management, involves several key steps. This step-by-step guide outlines how to create, manage, and monitor portfolios within Triskel, ensuring alignment with strategic objectives, resource optimization, and risk management. Step 1. Log into Triskel. Open your browser and navigate to the Triskel login page. Enter your credentials, username and password to access the platform. Step 2. Navigate to Portfolio Management. Once logged in, locate and click on the Portfolio tab in the main navigation menu. This is where you'll create and manage your portfolios. You can choose to create a new portfolio or view existing portfolios. Step 3. Create a new portfolio. Click on the Create New Portfolio button, usually located in the top right corner. Define portfolio basics. Portfolio name. Choose a clear, descriptive name for the portfolio. Portfolio type. Select the type of portfolio you want to create. Example: strategic, financial, resource-based. Start and end dates. Set the time frame for the portfolio, defining its life cycle. Add description. Provide a description to help stakeholders understand the purpose of the portfolio. Step 4. Define portfolio objectives. Specify the strategic objectives that the portfolio aims to achieve. These objectives should align with broader business goals. Triskel allows you to connect your portfolio's objectives with specific KPIs, key performance indicators, to track performance and progress. Step 5. Add projects and programs to the portfolio. Within the portfolio, you can add individual projects, programs, or even products that will contribute to achieving the portfolio's objectives. 2. Add a project. Click Add Project or Add Program. Select from existing projects or create a new one. Assign each project to relevant teams, set priorities, and define their resource needs. Step 6. Resource allocation and management. Triskel provides resource management features to allocate the right people and resources to projects within the portfolio. Assign resource categories, such as financial, human, or material resources, to each project within the portfolio. You can track resource capacity and availability to ensure optimal resource allocation. Step 7. Monitor portfolio performance. Use dashboards and reports within Triskel to track the performance of the portfolio. Key metrics such as budget adherence, timelines, and resource utilization are typically displayed on the dashboard. Customize the view to show relevant data for stakeholders, such as high-level summaries or detailed project-level insights. Step 8. Risk management. Manage potential risks by adding risk assessments and mitigation strategies to each project within the portfolio. Triskel allows you to assess the probability and impact of risks, helping prioritize actions and contingency plans. Tracking and reporting in Triskel Enterprise Portfolio Management, Tools and Techniques. Tracking and reporting in Triskel Enterprise Portfolio Management, EPM, play a crucial role in ensuring the alignment of projects and initiatives with organizational goals. Triskel offers several tools and techniques to help track and report on the performance, risks, and value delivery of an enterprise portfolio. Below are the key aspects of tracking and reporting within Triskel EPM. 1. Portfolio and project tracking. Dashboards. Triskel provides customizable dashboards that offer real-time views of the portfolio, program, and project performance. These dashboards can display KPIs, resource utilization, budget status, and other critical data, giving stakeholders an at-a-glance overview of project health and progress. Gantt charts. Visual timelines using Gantt charts help in tracking project schedules, milestones, and dependencies. These charts also provide insights into potential delays and resource bottlenecks. Status reporting. Triskel allows project managers to submit periodic status reports that include detailed updates on project health, financial status, risks, and issues. These reports help track whether projects are on track or need corrective actions. 2. Resource management and utilization tracking. Resource allocation. Triskel includes tools to track the allocation and utilization of resources across multiple projects. This allows you to monitor resource overloads or gaps and make data-driven decisions about resource allocation. Capacity planning. Triskel supports capacity planning by forecasting resource needs across the entire portfolio. This helps ensure that resources are available for upcoming initiatives without overloading them. 3. Financial tracking. Budget management. Triskel allows for detailed budget tracking for each project, including plan versus actual expenditures. This helps identify cost overruns early on and take corrective actions to keep projects within budget. Financial dashboards. Financial dashboards provide insights into the financial health of projects, portfolios, and programs. These dashboards allow users to track costs, budget forecasts, and revenue generation in real time. Forecasting. Triskel's forecasting tools allow for better financial projections based on current trends, resource allocation, and changing project needs. 4. Risk and issue management. Risk tracking. Triskel includes tools to capture, assess, and track risks across projects and portfolios. It provides a centralized view of all risks, their impact, likelihood, and mitigation strategies. Issue logs. The platform helps maintain issue logs for each project and tracks the resolution of issues over time. This allows project managers to report on issues that could affect project success and allocate resources to address them. Risk dashboards. TriSkill offers risk dashboards that highlight the most critical risks across the portfolio. These dashboards provide a quick overview of risk status, the mitigation plans in place, and the effectiveness of those plans. 5. Progress monitoring and performance metrics. KPIs and metrics. TriSkill uses predefined and customizable KPIs to measure the success and health of projects. Common metrics include schedule adherence, budget compliance, resource utilization, and scope completion. Earned value management. EVM. TriSkill supports EVM, which allows tracking of project performance by comparing the planned value, earned value, and actual costs. This method provides a more objective view of project health and progress. Quality metrics. Besides cost and schedule, TriSkill also allows tracking of quality metrics, such as defect rates, deliverable quality, and client satisfaction. Resource management in TriSkill. Optimizing portfolio resources. Resource management in TriSkill. Optimizing portfolio resources. TriSkill is a comprehensive portfolio management solution that helps organizations optimize the allocation and management of resources across multiple projects, programs, and portfolios. The platform focuses on improving resource utilization, ensuring that the right resources are available at the right time, and helping managers align resource allocation with strategic objectives. Key features of resource management in TriSkill. Resource allocation. TriSkill enables managers to allocate resources to projects and tasks based on priority, availability, and expertise. It uses a centralized resource pool where resources, including human resources, equipment, and materials, are listed. Resource allocation can be tracked in real time, ensuring that workloads are balanced and no resources are over or underutilized. Capacity planning. The platform helps forecast resource needs by assessing the current and future capacity of resources. It allows for scenario planning, enabling organizations to anticipate resource constraints and plan accordingly. This proactive approach helps avoid resource shortages and bottlenecks during project execution. Resource utilization tracking. TriSkill provides detailed insights into resource utilization, helping organizations track how resources are being used across different projects. Managers can identify underutilized or overburdened resources, enabling them to take corrective actions to optimize productivity and performance. Skill management. The platform offers advanced resource skill management features. Managers can assess the skill sets of available resources and assign them to tasks and projects based on their expertise. This ensures that the right person is chosen for the right job, improving the efficiency and quality of work. Project portfolio alignment. TriSkill integrates resource management with the broader project portfolio, allowing businesses to align resource allocation with strategic objectives. It provides a unified view of resources across all portfolios, ensuring that they are being used to support the most critical and high-priority initiatives. Resource demand and supply matching. TriSkill's demand and supply management capabilities help identify mismatches between resource demand and availability. By providing a visual representation of current and future resource demand, the platform allows managers to make informed decisions about hiring, outsourcing, or reallocating resources. Real-time reporting and analytics. TriScale includes powerful reporting and analytics features that give stakeholders real-time insights into resource allocation, utilization, and availability. Customizable dashboards and reports help managers track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as resource efficiency, project completion rates, and cost effectiveness. Resource scheduling. TriScale includes a resource scheduling tool that ensures resources are allocated efficiently across all projects. It integrates with project timelines to create realistic schedules, minimizing idle time and maximizing resource productivity. Scheduling also helps prevent overallocation by providing visibility into resource availability and workloads. Collaboration and communication. Resource management in TriScale is enhanced by seamless communication and collaboration tools. Team members, managers, and stakeholders can easily share updates, request resources, and track progress. This fosters collaboration and ensures alignment on resource needs and project timelines. Risk and financial management in TriScale. Strategies for portfolio success. Risk and financial management in TriScale. Strategies for portfolio success. TriScale, a leading enterprise portfolio management solution, provides powerful tools to help businesses manage risk and financial performance in their portfolios. By leveraging advanced analytics, robust financial models, and strategic oversight, TriScale supports organizations in making informed decisions that align with business objectives. Here's an expansion on strategies that can help organizations use TriScale to achieve portfolio success. 1. Comprehensive risk assessment. TriScale allows organizations to assess the risks across all levels of the portfolio, from individual projects to overarching strategic goals. A well-structured risk assessment helps identify potential threats early, allowing teams to mitigate or avoid them. Key strategies. Risk identification and categorization. TriScale can categorize risks by type, such as financial, operational, strategic, or compliance-related risks. This helps prioritize risk mitigation efforts. Risk scoring and assessment. TriScale's tools help to assess the probability of risks and their potential impact. Teams can use these metrics to assign risk scores, helping to focus attention on high-risk areas. Sensitivity analysis. TriScale enables teams to model how sensitive portfolio outcomes are to changes in certain risk variables, offering insights on how to adjust the portfolio to minimize negative impacts. 2. Financial forecasting and budgeting. TriScale provides advanced financial forecasting features, allowing businesses to plan their budgets accurately and anticipate financial trends over time. This helps ensure that projects and portfolios stay within budget while aligning with the organization's financial goals. Key strategies. Cost estimation and control. With TriScale's financial modeling tools, businesses can estimate project costs and forecast long-term expenditures. These models help control costs and optimize the allocation of resources. Scenario planning. TriScale offers scenario planning capabilities, where businesses can model different financial outcomes based on varying assumptions. This helps portfolio managers prepare for multiple future scenarios and adjust strategies accordingly. ROI and value measurement. TriScale allows organizations to measure the financial value of each project within the portfolio, helping to prioritize initiatives that offer the highest return on investment, ROI. 3. Optimizing portfolio performance. To achieve success, businesses need to optimize their portfolios by balancing risk and return. TriScale's portfolio optimization tools provide insights into how to adjust investments to maximize financial and strategic outcomes. Key strategies. Prioritization of projects. TriScale helps identify which projects should receive funding and which should be deferred or cancelled. By focusing on high-value initiatives, organizations can maximize the overall portfolio's success. Dynamic resource allocation. TriScale allows for continuous monitoring and reallocation of resources across projects. This dynamic approach ensures that resources are always aligned with the most critical business priorities. Risk-adjusted performance metrics. TriScale supports risk-adjusted financial performance metrics like the Sharpe ratio, allowing businesses to evaluate projects not only by expected returns but also by the risks involved in achieving them. Why choose ProExcellency for TriScale Enterprise Portfolio Management online training? ProExcellency offers a range of compelling reasons for choosing them for TriScale Enterprise Portfolio Management (EPM) online training. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically features trainers with extensive industry experience and expertise in TriScale EPM, ensuring you receive high-quality instruction from professionals who know the platform inside and out. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs are often designed to cover all aspects of TriScale EPM, including portfolio management, project tracking, resource allocation, and performance analysis. This ensures that you gain a holistic understanding of the tool. Flexible learning. As an online training provider, ProExcellency typically offers flexible learning schedules. This allows professionals to learn at their own pace while balancing their work commitments. Hands-on practice. Many ProExcellency training programs include practical, hands-on components, allowing you to work on real-world scenarios within the TriScale platform. This ensures you can apply what you've learned in real business environments. Industry relevance. ProExcellency often ensures that its courses are tailored to current industry practices and trends, helping you learn best practices and how to align EPM with broader organizational goals. Post-training support. ProExcellency may offer post-training support, including Q&A sessions, to assist learners in applying the knowledge they've gained and troubleshooting any challenges they encounter. Customized learning options. They might provide customized learning paths to fit your specific needs, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced user of TriScale EPM. Certification. Upon successful completion of the course, ProExcellency may offer certifications that validate your proficiency in TriScale Enterprise Portfolio Management, enhancing your career prospects. Positive feedback and reviews. Previous trainees may have shared positive experiences, which highlights the quality and effectiveness of the courses offered. Thank you.